Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is VIDZMO. We're gonna do a quick update or reaction video. I'm gonna share you my screen, folks. I'm gonna share you an information that you most people doesn't know. I'm gonna share you an information that most people doesn't know or understand. Okay. There's actually a map in the world map that where the best singers are coming from, where singers live. Um, so I'm gonna share you this information. Okay, I'm gonna share you this screen, my screen. This is from Forbes.com, from Forbes magazine, Forbes.com. This is not my own. See, Forbes.com. Okay, which are the most sung about cities in the world? Basically, where the famous singers coming from, what city. I'll show you. See, this is the map. This is the map. This is the map of where people live. Okay. So pretty much they're concentrated in the tropic of Cancer, in the middle of the horizon. I mean equator. The equator. They live near the equator, like here in the Philippines, like where Morissette lives. She lives here in Cebu. Who else? Vina Morales, Cebu. Uh, Regine Velasquez, coming from Leyte. So most of these famous singers, folks, live in the tropical of Cancer. Okay, they're in the middle of the equator, right there, folks. They're concentrated. In Canada, Celine Dion is not even here. In Canada, she is in Las Vegas. So Celine Dion is only Jan Arden from Calgary, right there. One person from Calgary, folks. In Canada, maybe three. Natalie, what is it? Who's the vocalist from Vancouver? Nelly Furtado from Vancouver. One. Oh, it's not. It's not even. Sorry, that's Alaska. That's Alaska right there. But there's one here, Jen Arden. So see, only what, three people from North North America, and most of the singers concentrate here in California, Las Vegas, New York, Texas, and what is it? Nashville, Tennessee. A lot of people from the hot climate America, where the singers live, and near the beach, like California, Hollywood, Hollywood area. There's no snow in Hollywood. They're close to the ocean. They're close to the ocean, folks. Most singers live near the beach. See that? In the Philippines, Japan, Philippines, India, Saudi Arabia. This one here, London. Pretty much they live near the ocean. These are but as you could see, most of the talents live near the Tropic of Cancer, like in the middle of the earth. Okay, UK, see that? UK, London, Los Angeles, Paris, Miami. So Miami, Florida, Miami, right there, where people eat fish in Florida, folks. Seafood. Okay, Jamaica. They eat seafood there because you know, your vocals, you need to have like a seafood diet if you wanna sing. You need to have like you need to be in the beach, so you have a good breathing, you know, and your vocal cords are good if you live near the beach. This is why the secret of, if you want to be a vocalist, you need to be in the beach. See, even in Australia, look, Australia. Well, there's three musicians live near the beach, the coastline of Australia. Okay, that's probably those country singers. Forgot his name, but yeah. Same with Africa, South America, Brazil. What's this country here? Um, Brazil. Uh, see, top five: New York, London, Los Angeles, California, Hollywood. See, that's top five, folks. So I'm not just making this up. See that: New York, London, Los Angeles, Hollywood, France, Miami, New Orleans, Brooklyn, Rome, Italy. Top 10, Liverpool, London, because London, England is close to the sea too. You know, their island. They're it's like Philippines. New York is close to the seawater. New York, if you go to New York, you can smell the sea in New York. Okay, Los Angeles, same thing. It's near the beach. California, beach. Hollywood, near the beach. Miami, near the beach, folks. Texas, near the beach. See, this is why I'm not just making this up, folks. I'm not just making this up. Most of the people who who are the best coming from an island near the beach, or they have a seafood diet. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah. So Ray Charles, yeah, New Orleans. See that? Do you think it's a coincidence? No, it's not a coincidence, folks. Like your vocals would depend where you live. Okay, your vocals will depend where you live. That's why Philippines have so much singers coming from the Philippines, because it's like one of the perfect climate, the perfect location for vocalists. Um, the more you go to the beach, swim in the ocean, the better your vocal cords is gonna be. Plus, you're not eating dairy products much. You know, you're not eating cheese and milk, drinking milk. Milk and cheese is bad for your vocals. That's why, yeah. So, okay. While we're here, now I'm gonna go back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna play another Morissette because people like Morissette. People like Morissette here, so I'm gonna have Rise Up. Okay, I haven't seen this before.
I need to be able to listen to music on a good set of speakers, because I need to be able to curate the right radio show. I need to be able to put this track with that track and that track and build the momentum.
Rise Up,
whether that's through a tempo thing or whether that's through, you know, the frequencies of bass lines.
Broken down and tired of living life.
Oh, I don't like anything with Rise Up. Why it's been deleted, folks? It's been deleted, so we'll find something that's not.
Best day I've been trying times again.
Okay, we're gonna do this.
For you. Best day
Gonna give something for our viewers today.
You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we go work it out.
Wish
Mountains.
1075.
We can work it out. Move mountains. I'll rise up, I can say, and I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid, I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up like the waves, I'll rise up in spite of the ache, I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000.
Wait, we're gonna stop it, folks. We're gonna stop it. Okay, this one here, I haven't seen this before.
At Gelco.com, finding the right part for the job has never been easier.
Come on now. Good one. We're gonna do the basic never enough because for our foreigner audience here, we're gonna do this again.
I'm trying to hold my breath.
Wish 1075.
Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream with me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, and it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never still too little. These hands can hold the world, and it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me. For me, never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never, never enough.
Wait. Have you seen her teeth, folks? It's like healthy teeth. That's from eating seafoods. The more you have calcium, the stronger the bones.
For me, for me, for me.
That's real teeth, folks. That's not a fake teeth, okay? Real. See that? That one secret, if you want to be a vocalist, you need to have a perfect teeth, okay? Because
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
Hey Wishers, this is Morissette.
Wait.
Don't miss any Wish
thank
exclusive
you very
videos.
much.
Click here. Please click.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, VIDZMO, because this is gonna be the future. VIDZMO is gonna be the future of this is like the new MrBeast. Okay. I failed 12 years ago. I failed. I wasn't serious about YouTube 12 years ago. Now I just realized that I need to build this YouTube channel. Then now is the time to subscribe. So and also I'll make more better videos once next year on springtime. Right now it's so cold, you can really do a lot of stuff right now. But yeah, thank you very much, and please subscribe. Thank you.